How to create Tinder account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pinvesnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a Tinder account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to create a Tinder account, what you can do is you can simply first go ahead and install the Tinder application. You want to head over to your Play Store or App Store particular to your device, and then you want to search in for Tinder, and you should get this app as you can see here on screen. Then you want to install it. Now in my case, I've already installed it, so I'm just gonna open it. You can see the interface, what it'll look like right here. Now you can see you'll get three different options that says sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, and sign in with phone number. You can simply tap on sign in with Google and it'll ask you to choose a particular account, and then you can simply tap on particular account and then you can sign in my case, since I already have an account, it's taking me to that particular account. But if you don't have it, then it'll ask you to choose a Google account. The second option is sign in with Facebook. You can simply tap on it and it'll load up your Facebook and it'll ask you for permission, and then you can go ahead and start creating account. If you want to sign in with phone number, you can simply tap on sign in with phone number, enter in the phone number right here, then tap on next. It'll ask you for various other things right here. Now I already have an account with my phone number, so I won't be able to do so, but I'll just try signing in with Facebook if it helps. Since my account is already linked here, as you can see, I already have an account, so it just loaded up to my particular account. But this is how you can create Tinder account. You'll have to enter in all the necessary information. As you can see here on the pencil icon, it'll ask you to add in picture, it'll ask you to enter in prompts, interest, goals, height, and such. You can enter them later, or you can enter it during the signing process. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.